Hey everybody, Spidey Librarian here, and today I'm coming at you with an unboxing video. Now, I don't normally purchase these kinds of things, but I saw this today. This Avengers Infinity War Iron Spider little, I don't know, what do they call these? It's a PVC diorama. It's a little statue. And it was just like, again, I normally don't purchase things like this because I generally find them to be like overpriced and, you know, easy to break and stuff like that. But this one was the right price point. I actually got a discount off of it. It was at GameStop. And I was like, he looks so cool. I need to add him to my collection. And I really need to show you guys the spider shrine at some point, but I'm going to go ahead and just try to get this little gentleman out. And apparently I did not anticipate the little tape, so if you will hold on for one moment, I'm going to grab a pair of scissors real quick. Ta-da! Alright, and we should be able to get this part off pretty easily. Go. All right. I say easily, and I meant clumsily, so we'll go ahead and just assume that this will take a moment. All right. See, it worked on some of it, but not all of it. That's not how this is supposed to work. There we go. That was definitely some tearing. Okay. All right, so we got that, and then there's... Oh god, there's two more. Oh gosh. This is going to be a 15-minute opening. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Okay, so there's another one. And alright. Yes. Managed to open this without injuring myself. That's a first-time achievement. Okay, so alright. Just occurs to me I said queso. Alright, yes, I'm cheesy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to very gingerly lift this out. Again, I've never had one of these before. I've never had to open one of these before, so we're going to see just how well I can do it. He's coming along nicely so far. Okay, good. So there we go. And now we need to take him out of the plastic. And there's probably more tape to contend with, so let me see if I can find... Yep, there is. Hold on. There's one. There's two. Oh wow, and I think that's all we need. Okay. And there he is. Now again, this guy, sorry cardboard Spidey. Alright, so this guy is gonna go somewhere on my Spidey shrine, which is actually over here, and it's probably not easy to see. But I'll highlight the various parts of that collection later. But yeah, take a look at this guy. He looks wonderful. He is just a really nice replica of the Iron Spider costume from Infinity War. And aside from being just a really kind of handsome replica, I mean, I just kind of looked at it and was like, oh my god. Okay, I need him. And he was at the right price point, so, excuse me. So, alright, so I'm going to try to figure out where to fit him on my Spidey shrine. I don't know how we're going to do that, so it's going to take a while, so we're not going to film that part. But I just wanted to say, just wanted you to see me unbox this cool new doll that I got. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.